Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming what you have: capacity, free space, and which files consume it. Once done, make a full backup and verify it opens. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, gather the correct replacement drive, cables, screwdriver, and anti-static strap, and shut down the device fully. Unplug power. You'll need admin access and any drive cloning software, so install or download that now. This gets you from preparation straight into the physical swap, without pauses. You open the case and carefully remove the old drive, noting mount positions and cable orientation. Once the new drive is mounted and connected, boot into cloning software or a live USB tool. Select the source drive and the new destination, choose partition resizing if needed, and enable sector by sector only when exact replication of boot structures is required. Monitor smart data and cloning progress. If speeds drop, pause, and check cables. Make sure cloning finishes to 100% before powering down the machine. You now boot from the new drive and confirm the operating system, applications and files load normally. Test key apps and large files. If boot fails, enter BIOS or UEFI to set the new drive as primary, and resize partitions using disk tools if capacity isn't allocated. Once satisfied, wipe the old drive for reuse or secure disposal. If something goes wrong, restore your verified backup or rerun the clone after checking cables. Drive health and cloning settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.